Ikiro kia utheru wa irio iraharirio micini ni undu ukoretwo ugitumura ndereti cia mahinda kwa mahinda a Kenya aingi makionania kwaga kuiganira. Kuringana na uthuthuria uria utabanitio ni gikundi gia Consumer Grassroots Association thiini wa kaunti ya Nairobi, Kajiado na Kirinyaga, gicunji kia 67 hari igana kia aria maguraga irio thiini wa thoko cia nja hamwe na ibanda matikoragwo maiganire ona hanini na gikiro kia utheru wa irio iria maragura.
Iko na chemicals zingine hata tujui tunatapatikana maugonjwa kwa sababu ya hiyo vyakula vyenye tunakula.
Sana sana kama matunda, tikiti maji, mandizi.
Oho gicunji kingi kia 66 hari igana ni aria monanitie kwaga kuiganira na uria irio ici kuagwo kuuma migunda-ini ingigakinya thoko.
Kama si chakula ya kutoka kwa shamba yangu, sina imani na chakula ya sokoni.
No ona kuhanora uguo aria magura irio thiini wa kaunti ici ithatu kaingi mabaga gucithambia wega na mai maingi mbere ya kuruga, na oho kuruga na kuheithia irio ndagika iria ciagiriire. Riri angi nao magarurukiire kugura irio ciao thiini wa nduka iria nene thiini wa kaunti iria urimi wikirirwo na njira nene. Arimi aingi ni morotetwo kumana na uhuthiri moru wa dawa cia tutambi mugaru na mendekithia ma kambuni cia uthondeki wa dawa ici, undu uria ucungiriirie gutigaririra kwa dawa ici magetha-ini.
When we look about the use and misuse of pesticides, that was the concern that was coming out the highest. Use and misuse of pesticides, and then we have sanitation, lack of proper sanitation in the market, of which that is something that is very evident from wherever we're actually buying food from.
Hari mihirega ngurani ya irio iria igwetetwo gukinya thoko ire na matigari ma dawa cia tutambi ni thukuma na gicunji kia 94 hari igana, miciri na gicunji kia 75 hari igana, firifiri na gicunji kia 59 hari igana. Uhuthiri moru wa dawa cia tutambi oho ukigwetwo ta gitumi kinene kia irio cia migunda iria icokithagio thoko-ini cia kimabũrũri, irio iria kaingi irigagiriria thoko-ini mataoni-ini manene ta Nairobi.
When you work with farmers, somebody works very hard to produce, and maybe towards the harvest, then there is an issue with pests, and then they get to spray, and they do not leave the PHI. The post-harvest interval is not observed.
There's no one who checks the tomatoes that you have eaten yesterday. There's no one that checks the spinach and the kales that we have been eating. So that is one, and I think that is one of the recommendations, that regular monitoring needs to be done, especially for the domestic market.
Gicunji kinene kia aikari kuria uthuthuria uyu uratafanirio maugite gutikoretwo na unyitaniri o wothe gatagati ga thirikari cia kaunti na arimi niguo kwarira mawatho na mitaratara ya kugitira a Kenya aria marokaga thoko kugura irio o muthenya.
So these laws have to be enacted at the county level because we come from different counties, so they expect the agricultural ministry, the Ministry of Health at the county level to ensure that there are laws that are protecting them, especially against the farm input, because everything begins at production. So if we get it right at production, then we will not get it wrong when it comes to consumption.
Haduine ha Kameme TV, Jitagogena wa Waduro.